The growth here seems robust, but the bricks levels are slightly low.
Perhaps increased water flow in this sector could help.
Looks like the calibration held this time, Dan Chewis.
Yes, the water flow is precisely where it should be now.
We should adjust the flight path to cover this anomaly.
Agreed. The readings are showing high variation.
Right, this section is ready. Let's get the team mobilised for first thing Monday.
Understood. I'll place the marker here.
The eastern flank is falling behind schedule. We need to adjust the route.
All units on the east side, increase speed by 10%. Maintain density.
The blockage indicator is still red on the auxiliary chute.
Yes, the telemetry confirms the drop in efficiency right there. So we are looking at a sensor fault then. Control, checkpoint 1, awaiting clearance.
All right, you're clear. Head to bay 3, mind the speed bumps.
Check the moisture content on this section here.
Looks good. Passes inspection.
Keep it coming, mind the clearance.
We're running hot on the east conveyor. Monitor the load.
Check the intake levels on belt 4. We've got a spike.
Confirmed. The sensor readings here show stabilization. It's holding steady now.
The flow rate is optimal now, sir. Excellent. Keep monitoring the moisture levels at the junction.
The pressure looks stable at 50 psi, and the water clarity is excellent.
Confirmed. I have the readings logged.
It's fluctuating between 4,800 and 5,200. We need a steady 5,000.
Almost there. Hold on.
Okay, that looks optimal.
The pressure is holding steady at 150 psi. Optimal recovery rate confirmed.
Noted. The flow metrics look good on my end, too.
Here's the sample. Let's check the levels.
12.5, consistent with the batch.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It seems a bit low.
Adjusting the valve now. Looks stable. The turbidity levels are still fluctuating above the threshold. We need to adjust the polymer feed rate.
Confirmed. I've logged the change, and the settling rate seems stable for now.
Right, gauge 72 is sitting precisely where we need it for the coagulation phase.
Spot on. No fluctuations noted.
The pressure differential is stable at 0.2 bar.
Noted. I'll adjust the flow rate slightly to compensate for the viscosity change.
Vacuum levels are spiking on gauge 3. Backing off the steam pressure now. That's stabilizing. Good. The reading stabilized at 75.2 bricks.
Perfect. That's within specifications.
Right, the bricks levels are holding steady. Really steady.
Yeah, looks good. We're maintaining target output.
We need to adjust the flow rate here.
I just calibrated it. The pressure looks good now.
I've calibrated the valve. The readout is stabilizing now.
Good. The density levels look consistent across the batch.
Dosing level adjusted 2.5.
Confirmed. Foam reduction stabilizing. Temperature holding steady.
We're showing 20 kilopascals on the main indicator.
Confirmed. The evaporation rate is stable.
Right, I'm bringing up the delta on regulator 2.
Looks good. Looks good. Holding steady across the manifold.
The crystal formation is stable now.
Good. We are hitting the precise target density.
Refinement sequence initiated. Monitoring curve trajectory.
It's holding steady at the new set point. Excellent consistency.
Is the morphology stable at this supersaturation level?
The map suggests localized growth, but the PXRD data confirms the desired polymorph.
The flow rate is stable at the desired temperature.
Perfect. We can proceed with the separation cycle now.
Keep an eye on the flow rate right there.
I see it. It's steady at 200 liters per minute. The flow rate here is stable, but zone 3 is running hot.
Yeah, I'm showing a 5-degree variance. I'll open this bypass slightly.
Looks like we've reached equilibrium at 4.2%.
Confirmed. The variance is negligible this time.
The transfer is stable. We've reached the target moisture level.
All right, initiating final dehydration sequence.
The morphology deviates significantly from the standard here.
And the production variance. It's borderline. We should check the dissolution data again.
Look here, the humidity readings are slightly elevated. We should adjust the flow.
Okay, I'm making the adjustment now. Levels are normalizing.
Looks like we have a successful run. The crystallization is perfect.
Indeed. The data confirms it.
Right, that should be sufficient for the batch test.
Very good. I'll log this now.
The distribution seems stable now. Look at the uniformity index.
Yes, the PDI is well within tolerance. We can approve the batch.
All systems are nominal on line 3. The UV output is stable.
Confirmed. The latest batch analysis shows 100% purity.
The deviation is still outside tolerance here.
Yeah. Let me adjust the trim. How does that look?
Much better. Stable now.
We're seeing consistent stratification now. The pressure differential is optimal.
Agreed. The adjustments are holding steady.
Did you log the sucrose batch 4 samples?
Yes, they are ready for the refractometer now. Look at this spike in the 48-hour sample. The accelerated growth suggests contamination.
Did we run the mass spec on that batch?
Right, moisture content is within tolerance.
Yes, standard 88 verified. I'll mark it complete.
The cadmium levels are well within the safe threshold here.
Yes, the spectrum confirms it across all samples. We can clear this batch.
All parameters are within tolerance. The batch meets specifications.
Very good. I'll authorize the release.
Everything seems to be in order.
Agreed. I'll apply the final signature for compliance approval.
We need to increase the speed on the filling machines.
All right, I'll monitor the levels as you adjust.
The flow rate seems stable at 2.5 kilograms.
Yes, the deviation is well within tolerance.
That should do it. Check the readout.
Looks good. All green on the diagnostic panel.
Check the fill level on that one.
It's within tolerance.
The reading is still outside the tolerance, sir.
Yes, noting the deviation now, we should check the density again.
The alignment on that last row is perfect.
Confirmed. The throughput is exceeding projections.
According to the manifest, these 60 pallets are bound for Liverpool.
All right, make sure the bill of lading matches the zone designation.
How much more do you think it needs?
Just a touch more, that should be perfect.
That's it, chuck the rest in. Give it a good stir now.
Look how yellow it is, Mummy.
Nearly ready for a taste.
Here we are. Careful, it's a big slice. Oh, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
You look very happy, Dad.
It's so good to have everyone together again.
We missed you, Grandpa.
Pass the sweet tea down here.